Welcome all of you students. Today lesson method concept in C Sharp. In this lesson I want to explain what is method in C Sharp. Actually this method concept is not only for C Sharp, right? Other programming languages as well. You can get the idea behind method, right? In last few lessons I explained what is namespace and how we use namespace, right? What is class and object in real world scenario and coding exercises, right? Now you know namespaces concept and class concept and object concept, right? In class we keep two kind of thing, right? Basically two kind of things, method and properties. Method mean if you get a car as class, you can define that class properties and actions, right? As properties we can get the color, right? Car color, then price, like that you can get the properties, right? And actions we keep actions as method, right? There are many actions available with start function, break function, many functions, right? Lightning function, AC function, many functions available, right? Those functions we said method in C sharp, right? These things I want to explain with code level, right? First get idea behind the theoretical concept, right? The real world concept. What is method concept, right? Okay, let's move into coding part. This is my last example, right? I create a car class, right? I just add one action call start, right? This is a function. This time I don't need static, right? This is car class. Car class contain one action or one method called start. We can add many functions, right? Break function, AC function, lightning function, many functions, speed function, many functions comes with this car, right? These functions we say it method, right? In one class we basically keep two kind of things, right? Don't consider constructors, right? Constructors we still not introduce. In later lessons we hope to explain those concepts, right? You have to learn lot with constructors, right? But this time we keep functions as method and properties of the class. In this time car class properties we can get properties. We can keep price, right? Price, this is the standard way. We can keep string type color, like this, right? These are we said properties of the class, right? This time car class. These are the actions. We keep actions as method, right? This is the concept behind method. One more thing, if you there is a return type for method, right? In this time you keep void type, right? In void type you don't need to return anything, right? Think about this is int. You must return something. That type must be integer, right? Integer, this way. think you think about this is string type. You must return string type something, right? If you keep this bool type, you should you must return true or false, right? This way. If you keep char type, you should return one character like this, right? This is the return type of the method. Now I think you have some idea behind method, right? What is method and why we use method, right? Then return type, right? These are the concept I want to explain, right? Theoretical and practical. Basically remember these things. In one class basically contain two type of thing, the properties and actions, right? Actions keep method, right? In this time you don't need to consider constructor concept, right? That's why I say two type of things. First thing, properties like price, color, these are the properties, right? So actions we keep as method, right? Then get the idea behind return type, right? Okay, that's the thing I want to explain.